Willy Paul has declined to sue Miss P, his ex-signee, who made false accusations of rape against him. Miss P made the sensational accusation in August 2021, alleging that Willy Paul sexually assaulted her on multiple occasions after signing her to his Saldido record label. However, Miss P recently confessed that she had lied about being raped by her former boss, thus exonerating Willy Paul. Despite the lack of evidence to support the allegations, Willy Paul faced criticism and condemnation from the public when the story of the alleged rape went viral. Many people have been advising Willy Paul to sue Miss P for defamation due to the hardship he went through after she accused him of rape. Nevertheless, Willy Paul has chosen not to succumb to the pressure to sue Miss P. He sympathized with his accuser and gave a detailed explanation of why he wouldn't take legal action against her. Willy Paul acknowledged that having Miss P prosecuted would not benefit him in any way. He shared his reaction to Miss P's confession, saying that he had seen people's comments asking him to take legal action against her or forgive and stay away from her. Although some people reminded him of the pain caused by the false accusation and encouraged him to take legal action without hesitation, Willy Paul has decided not to. Willy Paul questioned the usefulness of having Miss P imprisoned, and concluded that it would not be of any benefit. He said that as a good man, he made the decision to forgive her, even though it had cost him a lot. He believed that if God could forgive, then he could too. He pointed out that there is a lot of peace in forgiveness, especially for those who understand the Word of God. Willy Paul explained that he felt God had used him to help Miss P, and he still loved her. He promised to keep his doors open for her and to listen to her whenever she needed his advice or any other kind of help. He asked people not to judge or disagree with him, emphasizing that everyone makes mistakes and that he still had so much love for Miss P.